Morning. It is March 30th. Slept okay last night. Still a little sweaty. It's like borderline weather, you know? Definitely wasn't freezing. So it had to be maybe closer to like, I don't know, maybe 33, 34, I don't know. It's interesting, the groups of people that kind of coalesce out here. Yeah, just people that kind of end up sticking together roughly because they're doing the same miles or, you know, other, you know, kind of things that bond us together, for better, for worse. So I think I'm in between groups, which honestly is kind of how I like to be. Not really beholden to one. And it's really easy to stick and move. I am a people person. I'm not a people person. I really prefer to keep company that makes me feel comfortable. So I don't know what I'm going to do today. Leg's feeling pretty good this morning. It rebounds really well from a long day. The low mileage choice is 14 and some change to Wapiti. And then that leaves me with like 18.8, I think, to Harrisburg, which isn't bad. I would like to get further down and make tomorrow a really short day. Get into Harrisburg early, you know, get somewhere, charge my stuff. I don't know. We'll see what happens tonight. So with that, I'm going to keep hiking. Later. Hey, I'm going to multitask tonight. Have I mentioned the owls? The owls have been absolutely insane. They've been going buck wild the past couple nights. Last night, we heard all these coyotes. It was so awesome. And apparently, some of the guys at the Jenny shelter claim that there was a bear. They heard some huffing. I don't know. Tonight, I am on, I think it's Sugar Run Mountain. And I have to tell you, I'm sure you could tell by my energy and my mood that my leg felt great today. Minimal pain, if any. I was walking regularly, a regular type of step. I wasn't just stepping on my toe all the time. I don't know how we're supposed to walk as humans. I can tell you, I feel a little bit better. Not that I'm heel striking. I'm not going on the outside of the heel, but, probably towards the front of the heel. And then rolling through it, it just feels a lot better. And I've done that past days, and after a while it gets angry and says stop. Today it didn't do that. I took it easy, I took it slow, I wasn't going too fast. I was probably averaging about 2.5 miles an hour. So originally I was thinking about stopping at Wapiti, I think it's called, but I changed my mind. Some of the things I talked about this morning, somebody was just kind of rubbing me the wrong way. And there's that. Tomorrow's raining and windy, and I would have preferred to do a smaller day tomorrow. So by putting in the extra effort tomorrow's a light day. I get into Pearisburg early. Wherever I decide to stay, because I haven't decided where I'm going to stay yet. If I'm going to get a room by myself at what's like a motel, or if I'm going to hang out with everybody and be a people person and go to Angel's Rest, which I don't even know if there's room for me there. So anyways, I'd rather not do a climb in the morning and just, have an easier day in the rain tomorrow. So that's the plan. I'm up here. I did a pan of the view before. It's beautiful. I went to school near here at Blacksburg, Virginia. So it's kind of cool to be. Blacksburg, Southwest Virginia in general has a special place in my heart. I think sometimes people get the wrong idea when I say I'm from Northern Virginia, like it's somehow better or special, and I don't feel that way at all. Virginia is a really big state, and each part of Virginia has its own unique, it's just unique. And I can tell you right now that Southwest Virginia has a very special place in my heart, even more so now that I'm hiking through it. It was beautiful to me before, but it's even more beautiful to me now. That's it. I'm in a great mood. I feel great. The leg, I love you. Thank you so much. I'm going to eat dinner. I'm going to call my boy Fez, and I'm going to enjoy this view, and maybe I'll see some beautiful stars tonight too. All right, bye.